Hello. I am back with, I don't know what I'm catching on, with the picture of Brenna where she's in the pretend bathtub at the photo studio that they had went to. And I'm using that P13 No Planet B, and I have gutted the wood paper, and I've used this, and I've decided that I'm going to use the other side of this because this look just I don't know, it just looks so, I don't know, it looked so cold. And that was the first paper I had actually picked out, so totally skipping that one. And I ended up using this, the one that has the, you know, all the different layers of the shelves with all the stuff on it. So I'm gonna use this kind of like a block design, or I guess it is a block design. I've just got block, block, block. So I'm gonna put this in the middle, hopefully. You know, me trying to use this ruler. I need to go to ruler school. It's funny because it's like I've had drafting, but I don't know, that thing, it was just easier to use, I gotta say. Okay, let's see, how am I going? So this is 1.5. This is 1.5. Okay, that should be good right there. And I got it up a little too high. We pull it down a little bit. Okay, 1.5. And what is my square in the middle? I think it's 9. Yes, 9-inch square. So I really love how that looks. I love those flowers. I think this is just a neat collection. And then I took that wood paper again that I've got as the background, and I'm really thinking about kind of roughing it up a little bit. But you know what this leads to? A big mess on my tape on my project like the last time. I'm just gonna kind of rough it up a little bit. I have one of those little things, but I don't know. I do know that you can't use it on that really super thin paper, which I used to try to do all the time and it was horrible. So now I could probably use it because this is really nice thick paper. And I'm not gonna rough up any of the other papers. This is the only paper, every time I picked it up, I kept wanting to rough it up. So, just the one that's gonna be around her. So, and let's see, did I have it? I think I had it this way. I think that's the way I cut it out in the middle. Okay, and this isn't real big around there, but I just wanted it a little bit matted, and you know how I am about the matting. Okay, and then I am going to use this, and this had the frame around it, and I cut it off, and I probably left it in the other room, but it just looked like way too much stuff all around, because I'm actually covering up a lot of it. I just wanted the bathtub and the little critters in the tub. So I'm just gonna put a strip of tape here and a strip of tape here so I kind of figure out where I need them. Because I'm gonna bring her down kind of close to the bottom with maybe like, what, like 1/4 inch maybe on each side. I'm gonna try to make sure it's straight. And for some reason it does not look straight. Did I have this straight? Maybe not. Huh. I don't know. Okay, I gotta check this. Okay, so that's 1.5 from there. And it's not 1.5 from here. I tell you. I'm gonna have to go back to T-square school. Okay, let me try it again. Somehow I moved it. Okay, and I gotta make sure there's little letters here, so I gotta make sure I'm going in the right direction. And now I probably don't have enough tape. Okay. I had too much first since I couldn't get it straight. Okay. Now I am paying close attention. It is straight. I'm not going to move it. If you guys have any tips, I'll surely take them because I don't understand how I continuously move it. The one I had for drafting in college, and I used it forever. It is metal and it's got cork, so it's nice and heavy. But I usually had it up against a triangle, so it's like you're using it on something that isn't, paper. So that probably makes it a lot easier. Okay, let's try this again. See if I'm straight on this. Okay, I'm just moving this to where I think it needs to be. And I'm holding it nice and straight. Okay, wherever that's at, that's where it's at. Oh, brothers. Okay, and I'm telling you how this is what I want to see, just the little critters in the tub. So I'm going to cover up this, and I'm going to cover up the title. And again, I'm just kind of fitting it so it kind of has that same amount of space there. And let me flip it around and make sure it's straight, because it surely does not look straight to me. Okay. And part of this little letter is sticking out, but I figure nobody but you and me will know that that's part of the word. Okay, I think that's good there. And then I cut out those little pieces from the embellishments, or what are they called? They're probably called elements. I know Minte calls theirs elements. Okay, I just think these are so cute. The bars of soap. The little bag that's probably got lavender in it, so the baby is nice and rested. Let's see, I want this right here. Maybe I'm going to slide it over just a little bit more. Okay. Oh, I think it looks crooked in the way the soap should be set. I think it needs to be tipped a little more. My perspective. Okay, I think about there. Okay. And then remember I showed you the little rubber duckies, and this one has on a little sailor hat. And I'm just gonna stick it right here so you can still kind of see everything. But I thought it'd be cute with a little circle of whatever that is, and which I have no idea. I kind of know the other things. I don't know what that thing is. And then I think I should maybe, do I need to put the title right now? Okay, I think it should be okay. I know sometimes I can't get the title down because something else is in the way, but but I will manage. Okay, and I know I'll have to put a little glue on there, but I want this somewhere kind of tucked on the edge with just a little bit of space. So I think I'm going to put the glue. And I'm not going to be using any dimensionals on this because my little duck is a little dimensional. I know sometimes I get all done and I think, oh my gosh, it's all flat. But I think with a little bit of the ducks being a little dimensional, and then my my letters being somewhat dimensional. So I'm just going to kind of stick it on the edge, maybe up just a little bit. I figure right here is where I'll put my journaling. Okay. And then I've got my little duck again, and this one faces the other way, and it's got the little hat with the red, and I had it on wax, and so now it just wants to stick to it. It's been in my well, mine are not color binders. They're actually theme binders. That's how I keep my embellishments. And if you watched the video for the photos at hand, I put Janet's her video where she talks about her binders. So I put that on there so you guys could see it. Okay, and I think this is probably still sticky enough. And where do I want him? I think I'm going to put him close to Brenna and just kind of overlapping this bottle a little bit. Oh, and I can still see a little bit of wax paper stuck behind her. Be her or him. Okay. And I just love how these all look really dimensional. I think they're so adorable. Okay, and then I'm going to put my title up here, and it's called Au Naturel, because she's supposed to look like she's naked, but no, she's not. She should have on a diaper. And then, you know, all the natural things. So I thought this is a perfect title. And I'm just gonna stick this up here at the top. And let's see, can I get my, oh, I did it again. Okay. Now I can't even pick it up. Okay, I'm gonna just do this and put it here. And I'll just pause while I do this so you don't have to watch me. Okay, that was very easy. The easiest letters I put down all year so far. Okay, and then they have little stuff here, but I'm gonna put this little stuff here. And because I know my daughter has had like sage and bay leaves around her house and stuff like that, so this is just perfect. This is a daughter of my daughter that has the yoga studio. So she's the one who taught me how to eat organic, which was really great because I used to have like chronic migraines, and I was babysitting Brenna one week, and I had her for a whole week, and I noticed actually after she left and I went back to eat normal food that I ended up with a headache again. And that's when I realized I didn't have a headache the whole week that she was there. And so I thought, oh, I wonder if it's the organic food. So, oops, I want that tilted just a little bit. Sometimes that's hard to do when you... So, that's why I eat organic. And it's not like I don't get a headache, I just rarely get them. Because once in a while I go out to eat, and sometimes I'll eat someplace and it will throw it all off. But usually I do not have a headache. And if I do, I don't have to take migraine medicine. I would just take an aspirin and I'm good to go. Okay, so I just got this little brush. And I'm just gonna set this here. What would be cute up there too? Except for I think I'm gonna put it down here because I'd already planned that. Sometimes I totally get off my plan. Oh, and speaking of plan, I was gonna use this, and as I'm looking at it, it's like I didn't like how it fit in. It was like too small next to this 5x7, and it's like she just looks so happy here and not so happy here. So I thought I'm just gonna use the Happy Brenna and skip the other one. And then I have these navy blue enamel dots. I'm gonna use some of those. And I only have the little ones left. And these are the ones that are the right color. So let me push that up a little bit there. So I think I'm going to use 3 right here. I can pick them up and not have them just stuck in my nails. I need to cut my nails. Okay, and I'm going to put one see, since I only got pretty much the, I think I'm going to put the bigger one up here, which is actually the medium one in this set, and then a small one there, and then do over here. So my triangle's like this. And that. Okay, so that is it. That's my first Gran, and I think she looks so cute. And remember, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I will put close-ups at the end. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.